Hello student, welcome back again. Today we will discuss about the relationship between kinetic energy and its momentum. My dear students, you already know kinetic energy means energy possessed due to motion of any objects, and momentum is the product of V is equal to mass into velocity. So my dear students, we will derive the relationship between kinetic energy and momentum of the objects. My dear students, this is kinetic energy. We are indicating kinetic energy by Ke. Kinetic energy is equal to 1 upon 2 mv square. We want to derive expression or relationship between kinetic energy and momentum of the objects. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. Firstly, we will convert this term in the form of mass and velocity only. Firstly, we will multiply the equation number first by 2. If we multiply the equation first by 2, we get 2 into kinetic energy is equal to mass into velocity square. My dear students, in the case of momentum, only we get momentum is the product of mass and velocity, but we have given now mass and velocity square. So firstly, we will get mass square and velocity square. So we are multiplying here. We will multiply the given equation 2 by m. So now we will get 2 into m. 2m into kinetic energy is equal to mass square into velocity square. Now my dear student, in the place of mass square and velocity square, we can write p. Since we know that momentum is the product of mass and velocity, now we are getting 2 into m is equal to into kinetic energy is equal to m into b of whole square. In the place of m b of whole square, my dear students, we can write in the place of m b whole square as p, since p is indicates and we denote the p by momentum. Now we are getting kinetic energy is equal to p square upon 2m. In the case of any numericals, we can write kinetic energy is equal to p square upon 2m. My dear students, if we take an examples related to this, suppose we have given momentum of any object 20 kg meter per second and mass of that object is 2 kg. What will be its kinetic energy? My dear students, in your examination you can get and you can find questions related to this. What is, if the momentum of the object is given and mass is given, what will be value of kinetic energy, dear student? From above expression we are getting kinetic energy is equal to p square upon 2 into m. So in this case we can easily calculate kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to momentum square. 20 square means 20 into 20 upon 2 into m. In the place of m is given again 2. So this is cancelled by 10 and 10. Kinetic energy is equal to 100 joule. My dear students, in your calculation portion and to solve any numericals related to kinetic energy, if you have given only momentum and mass, then you can find value of kinetic energy. My dear student, so try many numericals related to kinetic energy in which only momentum and mass is given. Try to understand and solve many numericals related to kinetic energy and momentum's expression or relation between kinetic energy and its momentum. Thank you.